Hello. Yes, today back again after a while. Now it has been done some things, but it's a bit of switchings. Earlier we were looking at the possibilities to making of the so it's programs and applications via that. But now I mean it has been discussed with my friend. Let's try to do something that he also can be able to use and with some period of times or survey how we can do with the some of the functions we have in software and the in AI table we come up with. Yeah, we might have to start paying. So that is a bit of what I want to avoid for the last more than months to get it thing done. But yeah, at least now we get some things as a first trial. So what we want to mention today in the details is I would call it as a quotations programs. This is programs. I mean, I want to build the full similarly to quotation to invoice programs, and we add a bit more in automation here and there. But let's put it as a bit by bit as a phase. So the first phase here, I'm building the quotation system instead to make it more. Yeah, it's just want to show it that yeah we are able to do things at least for free on some application or some AI help support here from Softr, which is for me now Softr is looking really good in doing these things and also the future application I'm taking. Not just only the application web app created, but also with the database behind. Um, you can see now that I'm in the free versions. Yeah, it's giving pop-ups here and there, lots of things. But because also I just trying here and there in the applications. So it's asking me a few more things. Okay, let's focus on the quotations, what we want to do now. Um, I will go to the preview page that we have for these applications we did. Yeah, you can see here is the web app. So this is the first page. We still need to figure out how first page will look like. But we also have here functions called new quote, quotation details, other things. Let's skip that for the moment. For the new quote, let's look at that one. What is its options here? So it will be coming up into the. You can see two sections here. First sections I'm putting as the it's called table, and this table is just showing all the quotations that is in the draft stage where we haven't already sent to the approval. She's also showing how to do the approval in this one also. So coming here, it show all the list of the quotations as it's been. I mean, it's in the draft. So imagine if you have a sales doing quotations, they're drafting it, but how to finish it. So that's is it'll be listed here. We can also show into situations first with the table like with this one, and with software function is also showing possible to show like this where it's called a list. With this list you can also click to see more details in there. This is in this case I'm just putting the customer names, and it's the line items which is whatever we are quoting to the customer as in each line items there, and then we can click on edit here as to edit some of the details of quotations to be able to get the details updated or putting more information in the quotations. So let's look and go through all the quotations we created here. So starting from the new quote, so, I'll skip this one and starting from the first one. So with new quote, it will be a pop-ups coming in and asking, hey, which customer you have to you wanted to create a quotation to. So in order to have this list, you must already have these customer database in the database, which is maybe showing after this here. But for now, just to demo what is the tools can do, I will select still work here and the name of the sales. So if you are the persons, this one to quote it. In this case, I will select that okay, this persons and click add. So you can see that once you click add, it's coming up to the new line where it's showing also a new quotation number. So this will be automatically generating the quotation number. It will show the names of the customer, contact persons, as a standard contact persons, not the standard, the primary contact persons for this account. It will be put it there. So, but you can still change that one afterward. Also, status will automatically show as draft. The shipping address will automatically select the shipping address where it has been linked to this customer name as still works here. So that will be something showing up automatically. Next things, what you need to do is to creating the line items, and also you can also edit some of the quotations information like this one. It's showing up this customer, the billing address, the shipping address, contact persons automatically from the selection, because it's when you select the customer here still works. It's showing up this address. You can still edit that one, change line item quotations and some details here. That's also possible, but we'll not touch that one yet for the moment. Also, you can edit some of the, yeah, it's the same things there. You can edit a salesman. You can select the new sales guys. That's a bit there, and also you can select some status of that one. So I'm not touching that yet. But the intention is that if you already have the customer database, you select the right one. What you need to do is just to add the line items here. So you select line items, and then it will show this box, and then you can select the product. You can select by the product names. Here will be, if you have 100 product names, it will show all 100 product names in the list. But yeah, I mean, with select drop down list, maybe it's not for 100 products to be selected. Maybe it's best that you are just typing in and using the typing of the product name as a search, and then you can select. Maybe that's better. But this is one example of what we can do. And for this case, I will select this, and I add the quantity. So that will showing up me what is the product name, yeah, the reference number there. This should be the correct names here. It should be the product number and the product names showing here. Quantities that we selected, what is the price per unit, and subtotal. So the price per unit multiplied by quantities there. There's a standard things on the terms and conditions where you can select 30 days cash on delivery and things here. You can edit here and select that parts of the details there. You can see here, and here also some of the discount you can select it. So you can select discount. Let's say, yeah, and yeah, sometimes when you needed to have the total include a number in the text to make sure that the quotation is correct there. But yeah, with the Softr, I mean, I need to still write the formulas there to convert text there. But yeah, it's not that mandatory now. But yeah, it's just only that an options will go. You can show that we can put here. But for now, we need to type in what is the text we want to put it there. But for now, I will leave that blank, and then I'll put the discount number. So it also will update the discount that, yeah, we have the price discount of the 10%, and that's after discount will be here, and the VATs and include VAT, the VATs will be at that amount. So if you want to add another new items, you also possible to do that one. You can put a quantity there, and you add it there here. So this is already looking good for me as a sales. If you don't need an approval process, then we can just skip it, and then we just click on print, which is will showing me different pages where I'm cleaning up on these. It's the same page here, but I'm cleaning up these menus, top menus, these buttons out, just only showing the pure quotations here. Earlier, I was looking at the options to generate as a PDF. Yeah, it's still we need to pay for some integrations. Either if you do it with the software or with the Airtables as database, it's still we need to pay something. But look at this one, I'm already happy with the how it's look. So with this one, I can just click on print here, and yeah, it will be a functional print from the computer or the Chromes or the browser you're having. There might be something on the top here for the prints. This one, this new page name. Yeah, she's sometimes you might not need it, but anyway, for free versions, for now, I don't think it's that's gonna be so much of the issues. Yeah, but this I still need to confirm with my friend if they agree with that one. But yeah, it's already something that we can do. I mean, if he doesn't have to pay, it's already something that we can leave it. Yeah, there will be some made with software and also the links below a page number here. But so far, if you're looking at this one, it's looking fine already. It's already got all the details we needed as we expected. That's what we know. So I can just click print there, and it's asked me to print. We can just put there as example print to and save it. And yeah, it will just show me the example here of the details. Yeah. With this function of the print, you might see some of the letter. I think this is also related to the font. You can still adjust the font there in the system, in the software, to get it maybe better in a different font. I haven't tried in Thai, yeah, because this one you need to use for Thai company. But yeah, so far this is what you will get as free versions. Now I will close that one and close this one. So if you also want to have like listed like this, and when you also want to, I mean, if this is already in draft, maybe I show you a different page we're working on. Um, sorry. Yeah, I haven't published that one. Maybe sorry. I will select the page. Okay, any approval? Because this one can be an example, another page where we, if you are the managers, you are allowed to see this page, and yeah, similarly to what we having a bit earlier on. Okay, it's showing one page is pending. Show it here. Here, that's yeah. You can select it. It's just only that I have removed the pictures there. Similarly there, but we can have two options. Either open the full page of the in the site of the full details here, where we can still edit. Yeah, if you're happy with the discount, you can still edit the discount. Let's try. Say, I give you 5% approval. I'm gonna give 10% there, and then I can select here to change from. Yeah, I need to add in the. I'll just show you how we're working with the data here a bit. So anything you're not happy, you can just add it here in the database also. In this case, it's in orders and status here. I will just edit field and add approved stage there. And then I go back to the interface, and then I'll go to the pending approval and click refresh it. It will show you the refreshing here in the page there. Key, and now if I'm selecting approval, I can select approve, and then that should be updated here. This is updated. The other ones still pending. We can still open it up and Promotion discount is not enough. It's too much. Maybe put it only 5. And update it there, and then uh, yeah, approved it there. And same thing here. I can also doing the whole process here. However, with the software fee versions, uh, we are not able to have a page where this page is only accessible by the the managers or some specific groups only. You need to go up to the level higher. Not mistake, it will be. It should show me here somewhere. Yeah, login user. Container. How do I select it? Visibilities here. Okay, so you can see I cannot create a new groups here because it's not allow me. But should be a page set up visibilities here. Yeah. So oh, it doesn't show me which. Yeah, I need to create it at one Discord chain. Where was it again? Mm, yeah, okay, here. So if we want to hide a block, we need to go up to professional to see this block. But to see the page, full page, it should be here. But if I'm mistake, you need to set up the group, the user group here. So with the user group, um, user group here. So we need to upgrade to create a user group, and yeah, he will ask me, hey, if you want a user group, what is it? User group, building block, branding actions. Yeah, okay. Global data restrictions can be view, advanced visibility settings, basic visibility. Yeah, maybe at least professional that we needed to have there to be able to yeah, let them see or not see. But yeah, that's this is the pricing. Okay, so that is the quotation tools that we can do. I just wanted to show for now. Yeah, that's it for today, and I will try to keep oh, more updates and more videos coming up later on. Thank you. Bye.